This is going to be the tutorial on how to get AAA on your computer. First, you're going to open up Internet Browser. You're going to go to www.mst.edu. You're going to go into the search bar, type virtual desktop. You're going to select the first one. Scroll down, and we're going to want to, depending on if you're away or on campus, you're going to select one. I'm at my apartment, so I'm going to select Connect Away from Campus. I'm using Windows. And then you can follow these steps. It'll show you how to get on there without watching the video, but I'm going to go through each step just to make it easier for you guys. First step, connect to the campus VPN. I don't have that installed on this computer right now, so I'm going to have to do that. I'll show you guys how to do it. Click on the link, take you to the page for the VPN. I'm going to want to select Windows, take me down to the Windows section. I'm going to click on this link right here. It'll take me to the installation page for the VPN. For some reason it doesn't work through the browser, but you can click this link right here and it'll download it for you automatically. Then once I get it downloaded here, my Chrome is set up so that I can run it from right here, or just open it right here, but you may have to go into File Explorer, go to Downloads, and then it'll be there. And then you can run it from there by just double clicking it. So we'll go ahead and open that. We're going to just go through the setup, accept the licensing agreement, and then we just install it. Let it do whatever it wants, and then finish. And then it should be installed. It doesn't really give you any indication, but it's good to go now. We can close this, and then we'll go ahead and type in Cisco here, because that's what it's called. And then it should open up in the right corner right here. You're going to want to type in anyconnect.mst.edu. We'll click connect. We're going to log in with our credentials, make sure that says S&T Campus Access. Accept. Give it a second, and then it says we're good to go, and then it'll minimize so you don't have to worry about it anymore. Now that we got the VPN going, we don't have to worry about this anymore. This page, we can close that tab, go back to the original virtual desktop tab. And now we need to know if we have the VMware client installed, which is how we'll run our virtual desktop. I do already have it installed on this, but I'm going to go through the steps to get it going because you have to restart it, so I didn't want to have to make two videos. So we'll go here, and this is the step-by-step process of how to do it if you don't want to watch the video. But we'll go through each step right now. So we'll click the first thing, go to this page, and then we'll click this to get the download link. We'll go to the page to get the download link. We're doing Windows, so we'll navigate to this one. Go over here, go to Downloads. You can scroll down for other operating systems. We got here, we got the big download button. It should download right here. Takes a little bit to download, but again, yours may not show up here if you're using a different browser. If you have different settings, just go back into File Explorer, Downloads. It's going to be there when it's finished. You can just double click it from here. So we'll give it a second for it to download. If I knew how to do video editing, I could cut this out, but I don't, so it's all going to be one continuous video. And we're almost there. There we go. Alright, so we can click that to open it up, run that executable file. I'm just going to ask if we can make changes. Yes. And since I already have it installed, I get a little bit different window, but you'll basically just go through the basic installation steps, just follow what it tells you to do. And then at the end, it'll ask you if you want to restart your computer, which is why I didn't do this, so I could make it into one video. So you'll just follow the steps, finish, and then say yes, you want to restart your computer. Alright, so now that we have it installed, we should be able to search it. We got VMware Horizon Client right here. You will not have that yet. So then it'll be this page. You can either go to New Server or double click this. We'll double click that. Connection of server. So that'll be from up here. Once we have it all installed here, you'll get the at the bottom it tells you how to configure it. You'll open it up if you make the desktop icon like that, or you can search it in the bottom here. Click Add New Server. You'll click that, like I said, but the server name is going to be view.mst.edu. So we'll type that in. Connect. Now you're going to need to type in your username and password. Same for logging into Canvas and other campus stuff. And then make sure you change that to UAD. And then this is hopefully what pops up, and you should be good to go. So now you're not gonna need these tabs anymore. You can go ahead and close those out. Should be good there, and you got everything installed, virtual desktop good to go. So now we want AAA. We're gonna want to run the virtual desktop. I'm not sure how this is gonna work with my capture card, but we'll see. So for some reason when you minimize it, it turns black, but if you go full screen, should see a scrolling wheel saying it's preparing Windows. Basically, it's starting up this virtual desktop that's running somewhere not here, somewhere on campus most likely. Takes maybe a minute or two to get this thing going, but once it's ready to go, AAA should be on the desktop, so I'll try to minimize it and see if I can get it to work like this. Then we'll go over here, scroll over to here, and you can see AAA is right here on the desktop, so just double click AAA. And there you go, you got it all. AAA is now on your virtual desktop. Accept it. We're using 1 out of the 19 licenses. And then the first time you open AAA, it'll ask you what school or company you work with, and then your name, and you can just fill out all that general information. It seems like it'll assign that to whatever projects you save. But yeah, this is how you get AAA, and if you follow these steps, it should be pretty simple to set up.